Welcome back to my video to YT. Okay, now we will unboxing Nintendo, my Nintendo, and the game of Nintendo. So we start with the game. So number 1, Mario Odyssey. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this. So this is Mario Odyssey game. And number 1, we have the King of Fighter. Okay. So take a look at this. And the picture. Number 3, we have Gear Club Unlimited. Number 2. So this and the game. Oh, number 4, we have Mario Kart. You add the game. Number 5, the last is Naruto Explorator Ultimate Connection. Storm Connection. Okay, number 2 is the item of Nintendo Switch. Here we are. Take a look at this back from Nintendo. Look at this. So definitely we can take this right, this we can put him to this side like this, and this one we get him to this one too, and this one like this, right? Then we can get our games like this. This one, this, and then gonna be like this. Like this. Okay. And then you can take this one, charger it, and alright, this one, no, we can put it here. Put him in this, and then this one. See. Like this, and then zip, like this, and then zip. Now it's all done for this one. And now that one is this one. So this one we can get hit this one to here. Like this. You can see it. This is my little brother. He likes to play like this. Okay, done. Take a look. And then you can get on the game. You can take the game to here if you want. So and this one. I almost forget. Oh no. Oh, sorry. This lucky block just fall. Mistake. Okay, this one we can play in the TV. Like this. So, and this one, the last one, my little brother just left. He read book. Take a look. He read book. And this last one, lucky block. These are the lamp. When we want sleep, we can use this one. This is lucky block. I buy in Shopee. And then this he can do a voice like this. Number 1, to turn light and to off light. Let's try when the lights off. Alright, now it's dark. Let's do it. Oh, look at it. It's off. Open please, little brother. Okay, we just turn light. You see light? You see that? So this is the item of Nintendo. So this is the end of the video. So we will see you at the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the community. So don't forget. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye.